What drives us every day? The needs of today's world. The courage to explore new paths. The ambition to find new solutions that make a difference. At Venus, we make it happen. Since 1989, Venus has ensured the healthcare of millions of people across the world through constant innovation. Venus Remedies Limited, a research-driven leading pharmaceutical company, has constantly been working to solve unmet medical needs.
Venus stands for an unflinching commitment to serving society and our customers. Health should not be a luxury. Being in this industry, we can provide access to basic medicines to millions of people around the world, and at the same time challenge ourselves to solve some of the most complex medical issues facing us today.
Creativity of the team, their confidence and passion has made us all believe that nothing is impossible. Our commitment to quality with technology is bringing laurels to the company. In the next 5 years, we hope to be amongst the most innovative healthcare solution providers to the world.
In just 3 decades, we have become the intellectual challenger capable of creating substantial change. With an unmatched excellence in injectable antibacterial and anti-cancer drugs, we are present in over 70 countries across the world.
At Venus, it has always been our endeavor to use automation and ERP for faster and accurate decision making and improving productivity.
Venus Remedies Limited has embarked on this striking quest of transforming its vision of universal access to quality medicines into a reality. With a strong independent manufacturing unit in Baddi, Venus Remedies Limited has become a leading pharma company integrated with cutting-edge technology, state-of-the-art infrastructure.
With the implementation of global barcoding practices, we have been able to counter the threat of drug falsification to a great extent.
Over a period of more than a decade, the team of Venus Pharma has carved out a niche for itself as a supplier of quality medicines at affordable prices. Our customers identify us as a reliable partner in terms of world-class logistics and efficient services. The trust has propelled our ambition to expand our footprint to 100 countries around the world.
With breakthrough discoveries and advanced innovations in R&D and manufacturing, Venus Remedies Limited has secured over 100 patents worldwide in its name.
Our research is centered around maximizing value from anti-infective therapy. Antimicrobial research, although critical, is a vastly overlooked area of research. The pace at which present-day antibiotics are losing their effectiveness is worrisome, and our research endeavors are centered around preserving the effectiveness of the modern-day antibiotics. Unless we find a way to salvage the existing drugs, new drug discovery will remain vulnerable and provide little value. In particular, we're developing a technology for the oral delivery of poorly bioavailable drugs. We truly believe that once this technology is in the market, it would enable healthcare providers to practice antimicrobial stewardship and also reduce the cost of therapy for the patients. On the toxicity side, we are developing innovative solutions to try and reduce nephrotoxicity associated with most modern-day antibiotics. Owing to these limitations of drug toxicity, oftentimes these drugs have to be administered at suboptimal concentrations, which in turn increases the risk of mortality and reinfection for the patients.
Venus Remedies Limited has thrived by a multi-dimensional focus on its product portfolio and quality manufacturing by introducing various controls at every step of the process. From API to the finished product, quality manufacturing has been at the essence of VRL's existence.
I have seen Venus rising from first unit of glass bottle glucose manufacturing company to a multi-facility successful MNC exporting worldwide. Venus has a rich culture of developing as a self-progressive society. Venus Army is the most innovative way of making people think beyond oneself. Dedication, I feel, is not probably the appropriate word to express our passion towards all that we do to make life healthy, safe and livable for all.
The Quality Control Department is equipped with latest instruments in its chemical instrumentation and microbiology labs. These latest laboratories comply with GLP norms.
70% of the global population resides in the emerging markets, and 1/3 of the global healthcare expenditure will be incurred in these markets by 2022. With many new entrants and the existing pharma companies, the market will become highly competitive, and it will be well for these companies then to plan, organize and strategize their operations for better performance and to maintain a high regulatory standard.
We have completed over 28 years in pharmaceutical quality excellence in more than 60 countries.
We have a dedicated logistics team which takes care about the timely delivery of export orders by moving the shipment 100% palletized to ensure the defect-free delivery, to deliver the shipments in safe and sound conditions at the destination of customers by meeting the temperature requirement as per the product standards.
Venus has a strong intellectual wealth generated in the form of CTD dossiers. The drug regulatory team is multi-talented, trained with good exposure for handling European, Australian, Saudi, Latin America, Swiss, Asian authorities among others. With more than 700 marketing authorization in hand and much more in process, team skillfully handles e-filing, artworks, query handling of more than 100 products of NDA and first-to-file generic applications.
At Venus Remedies Limited, we like to think of innovation as fresh thinking that challenges the norm and translates into novel solutions that have the potential to benefit millions.
We at Venus actively pursue health, safety and environment as an integral part of our business and operations. We are committed to comply with all the applicable legal requirements through continuous improvement in the safety, health and environment measures.
मैं बीनस में 27 साल से काम कर रही हूँ। मुझे यहाँ काम करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है कि हमारा बनाया हुआ प्रोडक्ट पूरी दुनिया में बिकता है।
मैं कंपनी के साथ 16 वर्षों से जुड़ा हुआ हूं। हमारी कंपनी गुणवत्तापूर्वक कार्य करती है।
We are Venus Remedies Limited, and innovation is in our DNA.